Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I've got this iPhone 14 here in Starlight. Just have a quick look around the box. It's the usual Apple branding, and let's get into peeling these tabs off. Yeah, love it. That feeling of peeling these is something else. Right, for the grand reveal. Ta-da! There we go. I have to say the Starlight color is nice. It's almost got a white look to it. Let's have a look at what's in the box. So you just got your usual bits and bobs there. SIM ejector, normal pamphlets, Apple sticker. Always gotta get the Apple sticker. Put them back, and then you got your lightning cable. Let's get that on the side. I'll peel this off. Love it. I have to say, this is a nice device, good size. I'm feeling the aluminium sides. And it does look really good in this color. Let's power it on. And there we go. Got the hello coming up in all the different languages. Right, so that's the unboxing of that. And the rest of this video, I was just gonna slap a screen protector on it. So enjoy watching that. Thank you very much for watching. Please hit the like button as it helps with my channel quite a lot. And if you enjoy the content, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.